Kit and Coco.
Frilled lizard. Did you know some people call it the bicycle lizard because their back legs move in circles when it runs? How funny. Jaguar. Jaguars are the third largest cat in the world. The lion is number 2 and the tiger is number 1. Here's a fun fact. Jaguars love water. Strawberry poison dart frog. They may look beautiful, but this frog is poisonous. They like to eat a wide range of bugs, but it takes care of its babies and its home. Lemon shark. Lemon sharks are called lemon sharks because of their lovely yellow colour. Here's a super fact. They can give birth to as many as 17 pups. Wow! Rooster. Roosters have been cock-a-doodle-doing on our farms for about 5,000 years. Did you know they love to eat slugs and snails? Ew! Sea turtle. Sea turtles are one of the oldest creatures in the world. And here's a lovely fact. They always return to the beach where they hatched to lay their own eggs in the sand. Amazing. Baby brown bear. Baby brown bears are the size of a chipmunk when they are born, and they spend the winter sleeping and feeding warm in their dens with their mother. How snuggly. Shoebill. Shoebills have very big feet. This is really good when they're looking for food in the wetlands. Here's a fun fact. They have been known to grow up to 5 feet tall, which is over 150 centimeters. Wow! Caterpillar. Caterpillars eat a lot. They end up being 100 times bigger than they were when they left their little egg. Here are 2 super facts. They have 6 eyes and no teeth. How brilliant! Oryx. An oryx only likes to eat plants, and they don't need to drink a lot of water. They have a lovely white coat to help them stay cool in the hot sun. Cool.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Kit and Coco.